Hi everyone. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we explore natural, sustainable ways to make your home a haven.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more.
Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to change how you clean your home: DIY all-natural cleaning recipes. Cleaning doesn't have to mean harsh chemicals or expensive products. With simple, natural ingredients, you can create effective cleaners that are better for you, your family, and the planet. Recipe 1: Streak-Free Window Cleaner. Let's start with sparkling windows. You'll need 2 cups of distilled water, 1/2 c of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Castile soap, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. Just mix, spray, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. No streaks, no fuss. Recipe 2: All-Purpose Cleaner. Next up, my go-to cleaner for just about everything: an all-purpose spray. This one's made with vinegar, lemon juice, and tea tree oil. Perfect for countertops, sinks, and even your bathroom. It's like a cleaning superhero in a bottle. All you need is 2 cups of distilled water, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. Just mix, spray, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Recipe 3: Natural Toilet Cleaner. Now, let's tackle toilets. Here's a recipe that's as fun as it is effective: baking soda, citric acid, and vinegar. Watch this magic fizz away stains and odors. All you need is 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of citric acid, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. What to do? Sprinkle baking soda and citric acid into the toilet bowl and pour vinegar over the mixture. Let it fizz for 5 minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush and flush. Recipe 4: DIY Clogged Drain Cleaner. Got a clogged drain? Don't worry. Baking soda, vinegar, and boiling water will break down grease and debris naturally. It's my go-to solution. All you need is 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of boiling water. What to do? Pour baking soda into the drain. Follow with vinegar and let it fizz for 10 minutes. Flush with boiling water. Recipe 5: DIY Shower Cleaner. For shower grime, mix equal parts vinegar and dish soap, scrub and rinse for a sparkling finish. All you need is 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of Castile soap, 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. What to do? Heat vinegar slightly and mix with dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray onto shower walls and tiles. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. Recipe 6: DIY Greasy Stovetop Cleaner. Say goodbye to greasy stovetops with a simple baking soda paste and a vinegar wipe down. All you need is 1.2 cup of baking soda, enough water to form a paste, 1/4 cup of vinegar. What to do? Make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply to the stovetop and let sit for 15 minutes. Scrub with a sponge, then wipe with vinegar for a shine. Recipe 7: All-Natural Carpet Cleaner. Freshen up carpets with baking soda and a vinegar spray, stains and odors gone. All you need is 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 10 drops of your favorite essential oils. What to do? Sprinkle baking soda over the stained area and let it sit for 30 minutes. Mix vinegar, water, and essential oil in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture onto the baking soda, scrub, and let dry. Vacuum afterwards. Recipe 8: DIY Floor Cleaner. Clean your floors gently with warm water, vinegar, and a dash of lemon essential oil. All you need is 1 gallon of warm water, Half a cup of white vinegar. 10 drops of essential oils, lemon or eucalyptus, works well. What to do? Mix all ingredients in a bucket. Mop your floors as usual. Recipe 9, DIY Stainless Steel Cleaner. Shine stainless steel with a vinegar wipe and a touch of olive oil for a polished look. All you need is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. What to do? Dampen a cloth with vinegar and wipe the surface. Buff with olive oil for a polished finish. Recipe 10, All-Natural Wood Polisher. Moisturize and condition your wooden surfaces with this easy recipe. All you need is 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/2 cup water. Mix olive oil, water with the lemon juice and pour into a spray bottle. Shake well before use. Bonus recipe, DIY air freshener. Finally, refresh your space with a DIY air freshener, water, vodka, and your favorite essential oil blend. All you need is 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka, and 20 drops of your favorite essential oils. What to do? Mix all ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray as needed. There you have it, 10 powerful, all-natural cleaning recipes that are as kind to the planet as they are to your home. These recipes have got you covered whether it's sparkling windows, unclogged drains, or fresh-smelling air. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the joy of green living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more tips, tricks, and recipes for a healthier home. Bye for now. Subscribe for more DIY and natural living tips.